The Kadena ecosystem is flourishing with projects and tokens. Did you ever have the feeling that you're missing out on all the action but never knew how to participate? Now you can swap assets securely, anonymously and conveniently directly from within your Koala Wallet, powered by KDSwap. At the bottom of the main screen, tap the Swap button. It's important to note that KDSwap works only on chain 1. Only balances in that chain will be visible. Of course, you can always move funds between chains by just sending to yourself before using this service. Here, in the top section, choose the asset and amount you want to send. At the bottom, the amount you will receive will update automatically according to the exchange rate. You can choose which asset you would like to receive. All tokens that are supported by both Koala Wallet and KDSwap should be available. Once you've decided which assets to swap, press Review to see the exchange summary. They've set up a gas station so that you don't even need KDA to be able to swap. That's right, no miners fees. The KDSwap liquidity fees are charged by the smart contract from the asset you are receiving. All that's left to do is press Swap and authenticate with your PIN. In a few moments, the swap will confirm and you will receive your new tokens in your wallet. Be your own bank, your own gallery, and now your own exchange. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have an awesome day.